my first ride on 24 250. Bro, look at everyone. Holy smokes. What's up? Bro, it is still a freaking party out here, bro. So busy. What's good, man? You want it full or no? It's good. I mean, it's like halfway-ish. Alright, my first ride on 24 250. It already feels so good. Like, I haven't even rode it yet, and it feels good. Bro, look at everyone. Holy smokes. Alright, let's go behind this pack. Bro, it just chills. Oh, look at the tune. Bro, it feels so good. I love the 250. I'm gonna put my visor down so I can sort of talk to you guys because it's a little bit loud. But the difference between the 250, he has it in low power mode. I need to change it. He got it in weak mode, bro. I gotta ride in regular mode. Oh, the regular mode I like. Alright, later y'all. Alright, now let's get a little solo sesh. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this thing is loud. It feels... Hear that tune? And like, dude, it just goes so good. Like, what the hell, downshift? Alright, let's go for a stand-up. Oh my god. Bro, they got a watch on with girls in bikinis.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, bro?
Chilling.
Good,
I got
bro.
the 450 now.
Huh?
I got the 450 now.
Today or
Right there.
where? Wait, is the address here or is it down there?
Mini ride is on the other side of this building.
Oh,
Right there.
is it?
Yeah, it's like right there.
So this ain't even the meetup spot. I guess it's down there. Later, y'all. This ain't the meetup spot, bro. Let me try that thing out.
I can't deny you.
So if y'all remember, this is the first person to ever wreck my 450 before I could even wreck it.
Oh, is this the guy?
This is the dude, bro. He pulled in his clutch when he's in a stand-up wheelie. I don't know what the f he was thinking.
I was thinking I was a goat.
But now I get to freaking wreck his 450. I'm just kidding.
Crazy. You gotta make it.
Can you imagine, bro?
I'll just be like, no.
Some clickbait. How's it feel though?
Honestly, it feels good to me. You'll be able to tell me since you have one.
Cause this is a 2021, right? This is the one I wanted. Trade you. No, I'm kidding. Wow, it feels good. Feels like a 450 should. Yes, sir. Grom Squad. What? Feels good, bro. So you sold the big bike? No more big bike? Thank God. Thank God, bro.
No, I still have them.
Oh, you still have it? Alright, you need to be careful on that. I see you just be flying down the highways. You have 2 of them? 42 what? That's how much you paid for that?
60 hours.
Damn. Let me guess. No title?
We'll be getting one.
Ah, I fucking knew it, bro. Yo, I think this is my boy's bike actually, bro. Hold up. Hey, bro, but good seeing y'all. Hey, join the mini ride if you're bored, bro. Interesting. Why don't you zip tie this somewhere, bro?
Hey, I don't know.
I can see your freaking key is bent too.
Yeah.
Oh my, bro, this has been through a lot, bro. This is when they put on Facebook like, yo, good bike, bro, runs perfect, and never been dropped. All right, we're heading off, boys. I already know the vibe, bro. They going too fast? They going too fast for you or no? You gonna pull it up? What? Damn. Race me. Race me. That's way too fast. Too fast. Beating me in a wheelie. What the hell? A little gas station. Y'all know the vibe, man. I didn't even see that, but I just seen him fall back down. Like, what the hell going on? I don't even think I need gas, to be honest. Bro, I don't even need gas. You need gas or you good?
I'm looking good.
I'm good too, bro. I got like this much down.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, me too.
Let's get it. Bro, he's laughing at my bike, bro. What are you talking about, bro? It's a big bike. It's a big bike. I can pick it up.